Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. I'll set the parking brake first. That works. It's 4-speed manual. There's your hand choke. There's a fan working. There's your radio. See your oil pressure gauge. Just a little bit above empty right now. Horn works. Let's check the wipers for you. Wipers work. And we'll turn the lights on. Odometer shows 403. I'd assume 100,000, maybe 200,000. Who knows on an old pickup like this, but 5-digit odometers, there's no way to tell. There's your dome light. So everything works on the truck. Power steering, power brakes, runs like a watch. So good running truck, good driving truck. See my driving video and got some dual exhaust, tail lights. So everything works. Got any questions? 605-695-7391.